Alright, just a quick video. I installed this Hurst Billet Plus Shifter 39-1-60-30 on my 5th gen Camaro. It's not going to be an actual video of the install. There's plenty of videos out there on how to install this thing. It's pretty easy. I think it took me about 45 minutes to get this installed. Pretty detailed instructions. There's the old pieces. I would say the only real pain in the butt was mounting this up underneath the car, mounting the shifter back in there. There's a couple screws like these you have to mount up underneath the car. Kind of a pain in the butt. It'd been a lot easier if they used these 10 millimeters instead of a hex bit, but hey, I'm not an engineer. So I guess the point of the video here is, you know, that was like 260 bucks at Jegs, shipped. Pretty awesome looking. Performance wise, I don't know. I don't get it. I mean, it's not lighting the world on fire in my opinion. Definitely not making the car go faster. I think the other shifter shifted a whole lot smoother. I had the car out last night. Seems like it's a little warm here on the handle. I don't know. I guess the point, if I had to do it again, I probably wouldn't install it. I wouldn't buy it, other than for looks factor. But it is what it is. Install though, pretty simple. Other than those two mounting screws I talked about, again, they kind of go up and under the car. You got to get the car off pretty high off the ground. Again, plenty of videos, great detail instructions here that they offer you. And then I would say on the 5th gens, taking the shifter handle knob off. You know, you'll see some of the videos that say they pull off. Actually, on the 5th gen, this is a 14. You got to turn the bezel on this thing, on the shift knob, counterclockwise about a 1/4 inch. Pop it down, and then there's an Allen key here that holds the shifter in place. So you can try and pull it off. It ain't gonna happen, guarantee. You have to unbolt it on the 5th gen, or on the 14s. I think the 12s, 13s, they pull straight up. They're glued on, but these are actually bolted on. So, all right. So that's my review. I think if I had to do it again, I wouldn't spend 250 or 60 bucks on it. I think it's cool. It looks cool, but it is what it is. All right, that's it. Any questions on the install or anything, let me know. Hope this helped you. Thanks.